To replace the temperature sensor right here for the Woodward 24, first you go to the bottom, remove these 4 screws, and also remove the 3 screws down here. The panel will drop down. Then you look for this wire, disconnect it. Once disconnected, you have to pull it from the other side, but somebody has zip tied the cable, so it makes it impossible for you to pull it. So you gotta somehow remove this zip tie. Remove these 2 screws, then you can pull the wire out. Pull this out. Then you can attach a piece of string to it so you can then fish the new sensor easier. Pull this through. It will get stuck here. It's because you should pull it out this way. Once it's out, attach this to the new sensor and fish it back through. And then everything goes back in the reverse order. Don't judge me, my smoker is extremely dirty. I'm cleaning it right now.